Niyamkelekile nonke, back to Ezichisa Be Entertainment. Guys, sisadingida uMakhwela versus uMakhumalo and uTata Mseleku. Basically, siyabona sonke that uMacele and uTata Mseleku are ganging up on uMakhumalo because they want uMakhwela to feel welcomed kwaTata Mseleku. Izolo ke, of course, uye watsho uMakhumalo into ba, yey, suthi wena Tata Mseleku kukhona into elekhishwayo apha kwaMseleku because wena ufuna ukuthatha iyanging yakho i-22 ye umacekece into engakaze inyathele ngisho phansi ekunguMakhwela. Don't say lento eshodayo noma into esilekhayo thina as wise, but wena just say nje uzithandele umacekeceke wakho umuntu omusha uBob the Builder ozobuilda naye njengoba nje obviously usumyekisa umsebenzi and ufuna ahlale emzumbe uBob the Builder wakho. Now uMakhwela has responded on her Instagram, guys. That is what I wanted to share with you guys. Ndoba uMakhwela has responded wafaka ke iculo lePopeye ethi Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Then ke wafaka ke la emoji ethi location unguBob the Builder, meaning that akana xesha lamakhumalo, akana xesha lamangwabe, akana xesha lamayeni. Yena she knows why ezogana kwaMseleku uzofixa kakade. She is in fact uBob the Builder, you guys, okay? And ivideo ke le and uploaded just now, I covered most of the things. It's the video that I inserted for you guys to watch. Ndiyababona abantu coming for uMakhumalo for calling uSamke umacekeceke 22-year-old Bob the Builder, but guys uMakhwela naye nje uke ababize the Three Musketeers. So I think it's a fair game into ba mababizane ngamagama, mabaphane amagama. Why is it an issue xa izokwenziwa nguMakhumalo, but when uMakhwela did it naklepha ihands nathi bavele they are the Three Musketeers. So uTata Mseleku naye ke guys ndimbonile into ba akazibekanga phansi at all there on Instagram after ke the show yayizolo wabona that he is trending once again. People are calling him out into ba yena akakwazi ukuleader, he is a bad leader. So obviously uye wapublisha, according to him uthi lento uyithunyelwe ngumuntu waseSwazini and uye wayipublisha because ifavorisha bani, ifavorisha yena once again. So this person here is saying chubeka nama plans wakho ungawamisi. Ngibona ngathi ufune abantu aba wrong as advisors. Na uTata Mseleku uye watsho into ba xa sebe side ne Three Musketeers wathi hey ingathi ndihambe wrong this time around, okay? Uthi ke lo mntu, your wives will never be ready, your problem ulunge kakhulu wena and people bazogida ekhanda lakho. When you are a woman leaving your home uyogana uhlaliswa phansi uyalwe and be given examples of things to expect and how to handle them respectfully, okay? Eyona ehamba phambili ithi wohlonipha umyeni wakho umthobele. This is confirmed by the scripture when it says, men love your wives. Wives, show humility to your husbands. Hey guys, okay, it is true we cannot see things the same way, but you relay your disaffection respectfully, hayi ukukhonjwa ngomunwe. Ekhaya, we want a wife, not a CEO or a doctor of philosophy, all the way from Swaziland. Guys, I think nonke niyazivela imessage iqondise nguMakhumalo. Akekho omnye umuntu obizwa ngedoctor, akekho omnye umuntu obizwa ngeCEO kwaMseleku except for uMakhumalo. Akekho futhi omnye umuntu othenjiswa ngoba itepu izovalwa njengoba nje seyihambela phezulu la kuMakhumalo. Now, I want to believe that maybe uTata Mseleku wrote this for himself just to get on in nerves kaMakhumalo, but I could be wrong, okay? I could also be 100% wrong, but ke yinto ke ayibhalileyo ke towards ke iwives zakhe after last night's episode. NoMakhwela ngapha uthi yes indeed she is Bob the Builder and she will fix it. So yeah guys, nazo ke indaba ze horror. How did you find episode 21? Please let me know down on the comments and I will surely see you shortly. Bye guys.